Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Francis. Today I want to take you through artificial intelligence and research. So a research by definition is a systematic process of collecting, analyzing and interpreting data in order to answer questions or to solve a problem or even to discover new knowledge. So it therefore involves a very careful planning that uses scientific and also drawing conclusions that contribute to the existing knowledge or new innovations that are coming on board. Therefore, artificial intelligence is important in research because one, it speeds up data analysis. Therefore, large amount of data can just be processed within a few seconds than human is able to do. It also improves accuracy in the way we do our work, and also this reduces human error in data and from collection even up to analysis. It also support what we call a predictive research. Therefore, it helps to focus the outcome, especially in medicine, climatic change, and also economic change that take place. Most important is that it also enhances and enables us to do our literature review very well. So there are some IT applications that I want to go through them. One of them is what we call the Chat GPT. So the Chat GPT is an application that most people are currently using. So if you need to use it, you just come under, you go to Google, we begin from here. So if you have come to Google, you will come and type the Chat GPT, then you will ask to whatever you want to ask. So maybe you can put here, give me the literature review on SQL, let's say SQL cell anemia. So it will process for you and a lot of information will be flowing. So as it decides, so these are the information. So these are the details of information showing you that globally there are over 300 million individuals living with sickle cell anemia. In the US is over something like 100,000 people. So some of this helps us, this information helps us to build on our broad understanding of the research that we want to conduct. So another option that we can use is the DeepSeek. So the DeepSeek is a Chinese application that you can also use. So this is also an application that you may use. So you just come now and say, yeah, you start now. So as you start, it logs in. Now you come and ask your question. Maybe you say, give me literature review on malaria in, let's say, Africa. Then you come and tap and search. So it will give you a lot of information that are there. So So these are the information that you may use it in your literature review. For instance, we're seeing here what is going on here. It's telling us here that literature review on the burden and challenges and control strategies of malaria in Africa. So it's saying malaria remains one of the most significant public health challenges in Africa. The WHO African region carries a disproportionately high share of the global burden of malaria, accounting for approximately 94% of malaria cases and 95% of malaria deaths in 2022. That is according to WHO report of 2022. So these are the information that you may use in your what? In your research. So in your literature review. So thank you.